Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out the Samsung Jetbot Plus robot vacuum. Before we get started, do us a huge favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. So let's jump right in and see what you get in the box. Included in the box, you get 2 spin brushes, one that's installed on the robot, and one extra one. You also get boundary tape, you get a pre-motor filter, of course you get your power cord, and you also get 2 dust bags, one to use right away and one spare. You also get your instruction book and your quick user guide to get your robot vacuum all set up and running. Of course you get the Samsung Jetbot Plus robot, and you also get the very sleek looking clean station. Setting up the Jetbot Plus is quick and easy. Plug the clean station in and move the robot onto the base. After it fully charges, the light will turn green and a voice will tell you to download the Samsung SmartThings app. Once you set up an account and open the app, the Jetbot will pop up and allow you to start the setup. After you let the robot do its first run, it will map out your home with its LiDAR sensor. Once it's done, you'll see a map of your home, and from there, you can add no-go zones to keep your robot out of certain areas. You can also adjust the way the robot cleans each room and the suction power, along with setting cleaning schedules, managing maps, and viewing live cleaning reports to see exactly where your robot is cleaning at any given time. Navigation. The Jetbot Plus uses LiDAR sensor precision mapping to clean your home more efficiently. It did a great job creating accurate maps of each room in our home, so it didn't run into any walls or furniture. The Jetbot Plus navigated surprisingly well around chairs and table legs while avoiding stairs. This is definitely one of the best, if not the best, robot vacuums we've tested for navigation. It will find its way around your home without bumping into everything. You still need to pick up cords and other things that could get caught in the robot's mouth, but everything else wasn't a problem for it. Optimized suction power. The Jetbot Plus has great suction power. It did a nice job removing debris from area rugs and carpets of all sizes. It will also identify the type of surface it's going over and automatically adjust the suction power, saving battery and cleaning your home more efficiently. This is a really cool feature, and you can even hear the robot adjusting its power while it navigates over different surfaces. Brushes and bins. The 0.4 liter dustbin in Jetbot is fully washable and easy to clean, and the high efficiency brushes cleans carpets and floors while minimizing hair tangles. It uses self-cleaning extractors to grind up hairs and avoid it tangling around the brush. That means we spent less time cleaning the brush compared to other robots that had us untangling hair after each cleaning. Self-empty cleaning station. Samsung has done a nice job designing a cleaning station that looks sleek and minimalistic. It looks nice wherever you put it, and the Jetbot easily finds its way back to the station and auto-empties itself in the dustbin. The cleaning station uses dust bags that hold up to 2 months of debris, which is awesome because we can let the robot operate on its own and not need to worry about emptying the dustbin after each cleaning. The app will tell you when the bag is close to being full and ready to empty. Then you just remove the bag and pop in a new one. The bags are a little expensive on Samsung.com, where you'll find 5 of them for $39.99, but you can also find them on Amazon for a better price. Of course, some robots like Shark lets you save money on buying bags by letting you empty the dustbin, but being able to take a sealed dust bag and simply throw it into the trash is worth it to us. Verdict. Overall, the Samsung Jetbot Plus is a really nice robot vacuum and our new favorite. It's sleek, powerful, and pretty quiet for the amount of suction power it has. It has some of the best navigation we've ever seen, and the Samsung SmartThings app lets you choose exactly when, where, and how you want the Jetbot Plus to clean. This is a robot that can truly run autonomously, with you setting up cleaning schedules and the robot cleaning, recharging, cleaning some more, and emptying its bin before it heads off to clean again. The Samsung Jetbot Plus is on sale for $799.99 on Samsung.com, but Samsung does have regular flash sales where you'll find it for $499. So go to Samsung.com, Sign up for alerts and get notified of any future sales because this bot is surely worth a try. Thanks friends for questing with us. We really appreciate you. Do us a huge favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.